what's this course for? Who's it for? It's for beginners and intermediates. It's for also those who maybe just want a refresher, or maybe you just want to kind of come to a studio and learn slightly different ways of doing things. It's really a course that's available for everybody who's excited and interested to learn stained glass. Let's get started. Bye for now.
I think that we've learned a lot of techniques over the 2 days, and now is just thinking how to apply them with, different things we want to create. I'm already thinking, how I'm going to use this in my work, and, especially with the sailboats and the lines that I was trying to achieve. And actually I found that was quite good fun because it was quite nice to let go and just go with the flow of it. And just generally just try different techniques. It's cool. Everyone's is completely different. It's brilliant.